You don't fail because you're weak. You fail because your brain is tired. Willpower isn't scarce, it's expensive. And funnels? They cancel the debt. Inside your head, the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, your brain's CEO, handles planning and decision-making. But every choice, every tweak, every adjustment burns glucose. The more you think, the faster you drain. And when the account runs empty, the brain shuts you down. That's why so many people burn out before they start. They spend hours thinking about success instead of acting. The brain interprets planning as expensive, so it protects itself by pulling the brakes. The result? Paralysis, frustration, failure. A done-for-you funnel is cognitive debt relief. 98% of the decisions are already paid for. No mental overdraft, no ego depletion. The path is clear, the work is lighter, and your brain is free to focus on the final steps that actually matter. You don't lack discipline. You're drowning in mental debt. A funnel forgives it. Success isn't about more grit. It's about designing systems that carry the weight for you, so your brain stays fresh for the win. Ready to clear your brain's debt and finally move forward? Discover the system that makes it possible. Super Funnel Academy.